Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about what every new mom should keep next to her milk pump to make each pumping session easier and more comfortable. Many mothers prepare the pump but forget about the small items that can save time and make the routine much more convenient. The first item is a clean storage bottle or milk storage bag. Having it ready before you begin means you won't have to search for it after your session. The second item is a bottle of water. Staying hydrated is an important part of your daily routine, and keeping water nearby is a simple reminder to drink. The third item is a clean towel or tissues. These can be useful for keeping your pumping area neat and organized. Another helpful item is extra pump parts or valves if your pump uses them. Having spare parts available can be very convenient during busy days. Many mothers also keep labels and a marker nearby, so they can quickly write the date and time on each storage container. A small basket or organizer is another great addition. Keeping everything in one place helps reduce stress and makes each session feel smoother. After pumping, take a few minutes to clean your equipment and return everything to your pumping station. This simple habit makes the next session much easier. Every mother's setup will look different, and that's completely normal. The best pumping station is one that fits your daily routine and keeps everything within easy reach. With good preparation and a few essential supplies, every pumping session can become more organized, comfortable, and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.